I just jumped on the computer and did a simple Google search, but I did have a lot of difficulty because I could only find people that would either specialize in bathrooms or kitchens, not a one-stop shop, and that's what I needed. I needed everything from flooring to bathroom to kitchen to wardrobes, and Belle Bathrooms could provide all of that. Building process was easy, flawless. It was like it was just going on in the background. I wasn't impacted, I could still work, I wasn't stressed. I was kept in the loop the whole time. All the decisions were never finalised until I was informed, and I was able to bounce ideas off the builders and off Belle Bathrooms and off Will and off Ben to really come to the final decision. So yeah, quite easy. I'm blown away. The quality from Beaumont Tiles and from Reese's Bathrooms is just amazing. I'm really, really happy with it. You can tell it's quality. You can tell it is of a high level, luxurious feel. So yeah, really, really just takes the design to the next level. In a heartbeat, absolutely. The conversation and the communication, the open communication, the transparency, the honesty, the ideas, second to none. It was a really, really effortless and easy process to do. I would 100% recommend them.